Hi friends, I am Sovik and welcome back to my channel Roy's Quest. In this video, I am going to share one simple instrument and very necessary instrument that we need to keep it in our home, that is called TDS meter. And TDS is one of the most important quality that we need to check in our drinking water every day. For this we need to keep this thing in our house. I am going to unbox the TDS meter which I have ordered from Flipkart, and I'll see the quality of my RO. The ideal TDS of the drinking water should be 50 to 150, but beyond that, that is not good for health, and below that, that is also not good for health. So you need to check in a periodic basis of this TDS quality of your drinking water. This is very cheaper and you can get any of the online purchase websites. So don't waste the time and let's go for it. This is the TDS meter which I have purchased from Flipkart. The unboxing is also given there. I have to open this cover. This is the probe and I am going to fix this thing and just switch it on. Now see, it is showing 104, means the TDS quality of my RO is within the specifications and it is good. So this is the end result. So we need to verify this thing every day, as because it is our health concern.